image is also coming in, Swesha, from Lucknow.
Cake cutting, yes, absolutely, Akshita. And what a moment it is for the parents, for everyone who has ever known Shubhanshu Shukla, because it is not just about them, it is about the entire nation celebrating his safe return. How uncertain such missions can be. We've seen what had happened during Sunita Williams when she was on board. And of course, that splashdown moment that I vividly remember because, you know, it was daytime and the pictures were very clear. Hopefully, if, you know, something like that would have happened this time around, we would have been able to see it much better. Having said that, the excitement, the exhilaration that we feel that the astronauts are back, Shubhanshu Shukla is back, he is safe. And the cake cutting ceremony that is underway. His family is celebrating. This is at his school, I believe, where he has studied. And there, they're cutting the cake, celebrating his return.
Yeah, let's dip into Samarth Srivastava. He's live there. He's speaking to Group Captain Shukla's family. Listen in.
होती है ये पहली सीढ़ी थी जो बड़ी सीढ़ी होती है कहीं लैंडिंग चल रही थी डर था क्योंकि बहुत डर था बिकॉज जिस तरीके से जो एक्सियम फर्स्ट के पहले जो एस्ट्रोनॉट थे उन्होंने बताया था कि टेम्परेचर जो है 1600 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड तक चला जाता है बट इट इज ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड बट फिर भी एक रहता है ना आप ऐसी जगह में बैठे हो जहां का टेम्परेचर 1600 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड जा रहा है एंड इट कुड हैपन एनी टाइम आपका 2003 का जो कल्पना चावला वाला हुआ था हालांकि वो दूसरा स्काईलाइनर का जो भी था उनका इट इज 100% गुड रेट.
Final safety checks.
Focus on these images. We'll get to those voices, but let's focus on these images right now. The boats have now reached the capsule. You can see that in the light that's been flashed upon the capsule. What you'll see now is a series of steps, processes to follow anytime these kind of splashdowns occur. So from a distance, you can see them using a rod to kind of latch on to ensure that the rescue boat is latched on to the capsule. Then you will see one of these personnel outside the capsule doing all necessary checks, checking the hatches, seeing if everything's closed perfectly, because that cabin also, it's very controlled temperature. So they want to ensure it's opened perfectly. So expect it to take another 20 minutes at least for all of those checks to be completed. But it looks like you're going to see the other boat also approach closer to the capsule. But like I said, I think what you can also witness there, right now it's pitch dark, but the moment they flash those lights in the Dragon capsule, you get a sense of how challenging that journey really is to return back to planet Earth. I dare say it's more challenging than actually liftoff because of the speed with which you're kind of just dropping down back into Earth's atmosphere. And all of the senses returning, you know, gravity is back, you're strapped in, there's no place to go, there's a comms blackout. So it takes a lot mentally and physically for these astronauts as well. But the capsule is there. It's called the Grace capsule. This capsule is named as Grace. And you can see it floating along there. For the astronauts inside, I'm sure they're extremely impatient. Group Captain Shooks and everyone else extremely impatient to step out. It's going to take a bit of time. They know full well the process involved. They know that all necessary checks have to be done before that latch that you can see there with the light flashing on it, before that is opened.
सबको धन्यवाद है बहुत बड़ा मिशन करके आया करो करो आप करो ना आप जाओ इधर इधर
the best thing. We still have something to watch. आप सब लोगों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. And we are so happy. We have next step right now. Please watch that immediately. It's important one. Very important. He's coming out of the cupola. That coupon. Please watch that.